Project Management, Module 6, Lecture 3, Developing a Project Schedule. In this lecture, we're going to take a look at what's known as a Gantt chart, and I'm going to reference a YouTube video from another YouTube creator on how to create a Gantt chart using Google Sheets. English time is Larson's Chapter 6. So first of all, what is a Gantt chart? A Gantt chart is a project management tool that illustrates a project plan. It is typically gives the project planners like to use it because it gives them kind of a bird's eye view of the project, an overview. It typically includes two sections. The left-hand side outlines a list of tasks, while the right-hand side has a timeline with scheduled bars that visualize the work. So the following example shows a Gantt chart that's created in Google Sheets. And so here you can see the task, you can see the start day, you can see the day's duration, you can see the ending time. And so this is the first part of it. And the second part shows this kind of graphical representation where you have the start week, and then you have the duration of it, and this one, this task starts, and then that ends, and this task starts. So it's a very graphical kind of way to do it. Now, what makes this easy to do? You can do this by hand, just simply typing it into Excel. But this YouTube creator that I found, and I'll post a link in the module, goes through how to do this using Google Sheets, which is Google's answer to Microsoft Excel, and Google Sheets is free. So that makes it even more enjoyable. So if you he walks through how to create this example Gantt chart, and then I want you to use this as a stepping stone to develop a Gantt chart for one of the case studies. So this is the end of the Module 6 lectures. I hope you enjoyed the course, and you know, I encourage you to take other courses in this engineering management sequence.